I have here an earwax remover. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can take everything out and see what all it comes with. I'm going to show you how this works as well. We've got charger underneath. We've got some instructions here. And then here is the actual earwax remover right here. So it comes with this little basin right here. This is going to be useful if you are not in like a shower when you're doing the cleaning. You can place this under your ear to capture any of the water as it spills out. It comes with some extra tips. There's both some 3-hole style and 5-hole style. So you can choose the tip for the way that you want to clean your ear. It also has a little lanyard that you can use to attach right here. And that way you can hold it easier if you would choose to do that. Right here is the charging port, and it does come with the cord you need. So you can take off this water compartment for cleaning, but if you just need to fill it up, you can just use this door right here, fill it up, close the lid, and then you're ready to go. So this does have 3 different modes. It has a low pressure, a medium, and a high pressure. It is recommended that you start with the 5-hole tip as well as the low pressure, just to make sure that it's not going to hurt you or anything like that when you're doing it for the first time. So I filled this up. It does say make sure you use warm water. If you use too hot or too cold, it can make you dizzy. So make sure you do warm water. This is also IPX7 waterproof, which means it can be fully submerged in water, so you are safe to use this in the shower if you would like to do it there. So if you're not doing this in the shower, you're going to want to use this basin to just put it underneath your ear like this to capture any water as it flows out so it doesn't make a mess. And just turn it on by pushing and holding. The screen will turn on, and then all you have to do is tap the mode button to kick it right to the low power once you've got it in your ear and you're ready to start cleaning. So it feels a little bit different and it's noisy, which is expected because it's straight into your ear, but it was nice and gentle and it did not hurt at all. This earwax remover is super nice. It's super easy to clean your ears out with this, and it's nice that it's portable and you can take it with you. So I'd recommend this to anybody that has a lot of earwax and needs a nice, easy way to keep your ears clean.